We are good to go. Drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off. And this is an important match for 14469 How, who, as you heard, is ranked 7. They're going to go and get those preset artifacts, try and score from the far side. Meanwhile, 5273 going to do the exact same thing, filling up that blue ramp. Not going to let it overflow, though, taking advantage of that, opening that gate to be able to score more and more points. And blue is running away in auto with 27 already with 8 seconds left. Red, unfortunately, looks like maybe stuck or just calling it for now. Still, this is enough time for the Red Lions to still come back from this auto deficit.
Controllers.
We're seeing a lot of artifacts over there by the blue tunnel, a lot in the blue gate. You're going to see a lot of scrambling for those artifacts that are just kind of straying around the center part of the field. And How's immediately going to go over there and take advantage of those ones that are closer to the red gate. Stop Red Alliance from using as many as they can. Looks like How is going to try and set up a strafing flow from their loading zone to the far scoring zone. 5273 doing a similar thing, setting up a flow between the gate and that close scoring zone. However, team 9880, Aftershock, is going to come in there, prove to be a little bit of a nuisance to the Blue Alliance while they're trying to come back from that auto deficit. 22479 going up really close, trying to use a high scoring shot to get into that zone. 14469 How is still zooming in the backside. Aftershock getting in a little bit of the way. But nice reaction time from How, avoiding 22479 and avoiding this traffic in the center of the field. Now we're going to see a lot of traffic over there by the red tunnel as Blue opens their gate. But now as there's more artifacts over in the loading zone, we might be able to see the Blue Alliance set up the same thing they had going before. Red Alliance still trying to come back in this game. 22479 taking advantage of all of those artifacts over in their own loading zone. We're seeing some contact over there in the center between 9880 and 5273. But 5273 is just trying to stick to their usual routine, getting from the gate and avoiding contact. 9980 is proving to be playing a heavy contact game, trying to stop the Blue Alliance from scoring more than they already have. But Blue Alliance has already run away with this game, 231 to 63 points, and they're just going to score more in this last second. Looks like Aftershock is going to call it and take that full park in the very end. In the last 2 seconds, we're going to see some partial parks from the Blue Alliance.
The Blue Alliance will take the victory with a score of 264 to 101. This will push How back up to number 6 with 5 ranking points. Red Alliance will earn 0 ranking points, meaning downward motion for all teams involved. We are going to move on to